EA Sports welcomes you to another great NFL matchup. We're just past the halfway point, and tonight's game looks like it should be a great battle between two very well-prepared teams.
You have called heads. Is that correct? The 49ers call heads and have won the toss. They choose to receive.
Both teams eager to get today's action started, so let's go to the field. Janikowski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He sends it off. Sutherland returns this catch. The 49ers take over on offense at the 23. What have you heard, Melissa?
I spoke to the head coach about what preparations he had made for this game. He said that he's expecting mistake-free football from his team since they focused on staying disciplined the entire game. So keep an eye on that, Al.
Thanks, Melissa. First, Harriet Barella records the tackle at the 25. That run didn't get them much.
Yeah, there was a defender in every gap ready to make the tackle on that play.
8 to go. Puts on the boot. Romanowski takes him down at the 28-yard line. That run won't move them far.
The lineman just failed to open up any holes to run through or give them room to work with.
Now it's 3rd and 6 coming up. Ball on their own 28. Garcia with a man in motion. Barlow gets the handoff on the delay. And he's tackled at the 27-yard line. He was dropped before he could get back to the line.
Yeah, you can't run without good blocking.
They need 6. Ball on their own 27. Number 31 lines up deep for the punt return. There's a flag on the play.
Holding, receiving team. Loss of 10 yards.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 31. Number 8 gets set. Dropping back. Rolling right. Looking for a receiver. Gets rid of it. And this pass is completed.
It's complete to number 86 for a gain of 22 yards.
It's 1st and 10. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. He's looking to pass. Looking downfield with the throw. It's broken up. The pass was batted away.
The receiver just didn't have good position on it.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 45-yard line. Quick drop. Surveying the field. Rolling out to his left. Throws it. And caught. A tremendous catch. Terrific athleticism there. Leaping up, catching the pass.
This receiver has great body control. It doesn't seem to matter where it's thrown. He always seems to come up with it.
With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Quick drop. He's looking. Gets the pass off. And it's complete. Plummer records the tackle at the 8-yard line. First down and goal to go. 8 yards to the goal line. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Quick drop. Number 8 rolls right with the pass batted down. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. 2nd down, goal to go. Ball on the 8-yard line. Quick drop. Looking for an option. Passing right. Nice reception. The quick pass from the quarterback is there for the score.
And that's one of those passes we see a lot. When the quarterback releases it, the receiver's not even looking. But then he looks up, and the ball's right there.
And it's on its way. The point after is good. And so they were able to end that long drive with a touchdown. The offensive unit was really in sync out there, running this offense and running it very well.
Can't argue with the result. And the touchdown was the result that they were looking for. This offense can put it together.
And with that score, they're up by a touchdown. He sends this one toward the end zone. Their last drive ended with a 3-and-out as the offense comes out onto the field again. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 20. 4-man front this time. Looking to throw. Passing to his left. And this pass is completed. He really zipped that pass in there.
Hey, I think we need to get this guy's throws on the radar gun. That thing had a vapor trail.
5 yards to go. Garcia gives the ball off. It just won't go down. Couldn't find much of a hole, and he's brought down after a gain of what looks like a couple.
Yeah, you talking about push. This line got no push at all, and there was nowhere to go.
And we're ready to start the second quarter. 3rd and 1 coming up on this play. Four-man front this time, using motion. With the carry. And he stopped at the 30-yard line. That time the offense ran it.
Right now they need to keep going at the defense with a run. Sooner or later, they'll be able to break one for a big game.
Number 31 is back to receive this kick. And he gets under it and fields it cleanly. Well, the offense is back on the field again. Their last drive, they moved the ball very well, especially through the air on their way to a touchdown. So they have 1st and 10 here. Four-man front this time. Looking to pass. He's looking. Rolls left. Passing to his right. And they're able to connect on that one. Brunson brings him down at the 18. He rifled it out there.
Passes like that have been known to dislocate receivers' fingers. You might want to double check and make sure you can move them all.
They're in the red zone. They'll go with a pass. Number 8 rolls right. With the throw. Number 26 knocked that one down.
He tried to guide it in there, but it didn't work. Here's where the defense needs to make a big play. Maybe they bring some heat with a blitz or they change up the coverage. That way they can force the offense into making a mistake and keep them from getting any points before the half.
He's going to throw. Looking for a receiver. Number 8 lets it fly. The defense has it. He showed tremendous ability to get up there for the interception.
Yeah, sometimes you just have to resign yourself to the sack. That's a heck of a lot better than an interception.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 20. Four-man front this time. He's looking to pass. Garcia passing over to his left. And they're able to connect on that one. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 44-yard line. He showed great leaping ability, going up and grabbing the pass.
Some of these guys have the skills to play other professional sports if they had wanted, and really a chance to show off when they do things like that.
And it looks like there's a penalty on the play. Beaker jumped early.
That was a bad penalty by the defense. Maybe that guy had all his weight moving in one direction. He couldn't stop in time.
They need 5. Ball on the 39-yard line. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. He's going to throw. Garcia rolls right, looking for the long completion. Sutherland was the intended target on that pass attempt. He appeared to feel the pressure there.
And I'll tell you, the toughest thing to do as a quarterback is to throw it accurately when there's a big old defensive player in your face. The defense needs to remember not to play too soft and give up big gains underneath. But they also don't want to play too tight and end up giving up a big play to set them up in scoring position.
Passing to the short option. He finds his man. Romanowski brings him down at the 32. It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 32-yard line. Garcia under center, looking to throw. Tosses it right. Great catch. Romanowski with the tackle at the 20. 1st and 10. Ball on the 20-yard line. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. And he drops the pass. He couldn't hang on to it.
There's really no excuse for that. You just have to catch those balls.
So it's 2nd down now.
And here's a chance for the offense to make their move. The defense could be sending a blitz, so I'd go with something to my running back. A swing pass or maybe even a screen. If they execute, they could put this one in the end zone.
Looking to throw. Throws it. And they're able to connect on that one. Touchdown. He tossed the ball to the receiver for the touchdown.
That was a great pass by the quarterback. He delivered that ball where only his receiver could make the catch.
And it's up. And the extra point is good. Baker is just about ready to kick this one away. He gets the kick away. Number 31 will try to bring this one back. Breaking free. The last drive ended with an interception. So let's see what happens as they take over again.
There's still some time left. So if the quarterback can make some good decisions and manage the clock, they might end up going into the half with a lead.
Garner, the lone back, dropping back. Passes it out to the left. Hits his man with the pass. Number 8 just went over the 100-yard mark with that pass. It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 35-yard line. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Looking to pass. Stepping up. Gets rid of it. He hits his receiver. Brunson makes the play at the 19-yard line. He's starting to make his presence felt out there. It's 1st and 10. They'll go with a pass. Number 8 rolling over to his right to the defender. Plummer made the most of that tipped pass.
If you can adjust with the ball as it changes its flight and you can concentrate enough to catch it, you just made a great interception.
Deep in their own territory. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Hurst looking to turn it upfield. And he stopped at the 12-yard line. We've reached the halfway point. Quite a contest to this point with the score. Oakland, 7. San Francisco, 7. And we go back to the game. Baker in to kick this one off.
Number 31 and number 42.
He kicks it off. He wants to give his team good field position here. The Raiders take over on offense at the 20-yard line. 1st and 10. Number 8 gets set. He's looking to pass. Rolling out to his left. Going long. Gordon just dropped that pass.
And nothing is more disheartening to a quarterback than a drop pass.
It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 20. They'll go with a pass. Tosses it right. Hits his man with the pass. And he stopped at the 49. Number 8 picks up a few more yards there to put him over the 150 mark. It's first and 10. Ball on their own 49. Dropping back. He's looking. Passing right. Hits his man with the pass. And he's brought down at the 25-yard line. A display of good concentration by the receiver.
If he can make catches like that regularly, he can expect to see more passes thrown in his direction.
So they have first and 10 here. Four-man front this time. He's going to throw. Passing to his right. Gets his hand on it. He really felt pressure there.
Pressure can really mess up the timing of a play. That pass was incomplete because the quarterback had to get rid of it before he wanted to.
It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on the 25-yard line. Dropping back. Looking for an option. He gets rid of it. Right to the defender. So they have first and 10 here. Looking for an opening. Can't bring him down. Dixon with the stop at the 22. After that turnover, here's how both teams are doing in that department. Second and 9 coming up here. Ball on their own 22. Four linemen and three linebackers lined up defensively. Man in motion. He's going to throw. Garcia throws. And they're able to connect on that one. Romanowski records the tackle at the 35-yard line. And so that makes tackle number 6. We have a challenge, so the referee will go over to the sideline and see if it was the right call. If not, the team is going to lose a timeout.
After reviewing the play, no fumble occurred. No timeout will be charged to the 49ers.
So he takes advantage of the option to challenge the play, and it pays off.
If you don't use them, they go to waste.
So they have first and 10 here. Ball on their own 35. Four linemen and three linebackers lined up defensively. Garcia with a man in motion. Looking to turn it upfield. Loses the defender. And he stopped at the 46. First and 10. On the carry. He shakes the defender. Harris takes him down at the 49. Tried to move the ball on the ground.
A running attack that is consistent and effective will help the offense dictate the pace of the game.
It's second down and 7 to go. Ball on their own 49. Only one man in the backfield. Running to the right side. And he's tackled at the 42. Good gain there and a first down.
If the defense keeps giving up runs like that for first downs, they'll have to make some adjustments to slow this guy down.
First and 10.
Don't let up.
Garcia hands it off. And he's stopped at the 38. And he picks up about 4.
35-yard line. A gain of 4 on the play.
It's 2nd down and 6 to go. Ball on the 38-yard line.
Single. Set. Tighten up. Tango. Switch it up.
Dropping back. Stepping up. Passing right. Hurst, the intended receiver. A hard throw, but no catch. The pass falls incomplete.
Well, he slung it in there, but the receiver just couldn't come up with it.
It's 3rd down and 6 to go. Four linebackers this time. On the carry. Dixon breaks the play up in the backfield. He's trying to find something off the edge, John, but there wasn't anything there.
Yeah, but there was no corner to turn. He's looking for the corner. He just never got there.
So they're almost within their kicker's range. He'll try to place this inside the 10. Their last drive ended with a pick, and the offense right now ready to call their first play on this drive. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 19. 4-man front this time. He's looking to pass. Looking downfield. Number 8 throwing it to the left. Nice reception. And the defender brings him down at the 40-yard line. The receiver found a hole in the secondary, and the quarterback found him with the pass.
The defense could never let up out there. This guy can make some incredible catches.
It's 1st and 10. They'll go with a pass. Looking downfield. Andre Carter knifes right in there and brings down the quarterback. Ball right around midfield. 2 minutes to the final gun.
With the owner of a yellow sports car, license number
Ball at about midfield.
D55, please return to your car immediately. Your lights are on.
Nickelback in this time. Quick drop. With the throw. Knocked down. A great job to break up that pass.
If you don't take your time and you start to rush your throw, that's what you're going to see happen.
The ball is right at midfield. He's going to throw. Rolling out to his right. Looking for the long completion. And he hits his target. He had a quick release on that pass.
It's a good thing he caught it. You don't want to drop those passes the first down. In this situation, they really don't need to pass at all. They just need some positive running plays to take time off the clock and set up the field goal to win it.
1st down and goal to go. Ball on the 7-yard line.
The 49ers take the timeout. They have 2 timeouts remaining.
It's 1st and goal. Ball on the 7-yard line. He's looking to pass. Looking downfield. Passing right. Garner just couldn't find a way to come up with that one. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. 2nd and goal. 7 yards to the goal line. Passing to his right. And he finds the open man. Just an incredible pass by the quarterback.
He almost put that ball right through his receiver.
The Raiders leading in the game, but not by much. The kick is up, and he tacks on the extra point. So they're now up by a touchdown. Gronkowski in to kick this one off.
Number 11 to kick off. Number 26 and number 25. Deep to
He
receive.
sends it off. Looking for a good return.
We've got a good one going here today.
Number 26.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 24. The 49ers line up with 4 wide receivers. Looking to pass. Passing right. Hits his man with the pass. And he's brought down at the 34-yard line. It's 1st and 10. Four-man front this time. Dropping back. Garcia throws. And he finds the open man. The 40. The 30. Woodson stopped him for his 3rd tackle so far. Hurst was able to pick up more yardage after the catch.
And for as good a run as that was, you know that he wanted it all. But I think he just ran out of juice.
1st and 10. The quarterback lines up with 2 backs behind him.
Switch it up.
Looking to pass. Stepping up. Throwing left. He hits his receiver. Dixon makes the play at the 14-yard line. Down inside the 15.
Big play, big play. Watch the pass, watch the pass.
The defense looking to make a big play on this 3rd down. 1 yard to go. Ball on the 14-yard line. Garcia using split backs. Dropping back. Throws it. Beasley, the intended receiver. He gunned that one.
The quarterback tried to put that one through the receiver.
They have to come through here on 4th down. They're inside the 15. Garcia with split backs. Quick drop. Passes left. And it's complete. Touchdown, 49ers. The defender was caught out of position on the score.
Yeah, the defenders were looking one way while the play was going the other.
And it's on its way. The point after is good.
He is good.
Baker looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Number 42.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Attempting to give his team good field position. They were very effective the last time they had the ball, picking up a lot of yardage through the air as they moved down the field for a touchdown.
I think this play might decide what they're going to do the rest of the drive. If it's a good gain, they might try to get the field goal. If it's a short run or an incomplete pass, they might just play it safe the next 2 downs and try and get into overtime.
Pass left. It's broken up. Brunson broke that pass up.
Great position and great reaction made that play happen.
If they don't get much yardage here, chances are they'll play it safe with a run on 3rd down. Looking to throw. Number 8 held on to the ball too long.
His ears are ringing after that hit. This is a big 3rd down as they try to keep this late drive going and avoid overtime.
Inside their own 20. Only 1 man back.
Watch the middle.
Quick drop. Rolls right. Looking for a receiver. Launches the pass. And he steps out of bounds at the 47-yard line.
It looks like we'll be headed for some overtime action. Or we could have this thing end up with a miracle catch on a Hail Mary.
So they have 1st and 10 here. 4-man front this time. Dropping back. He's looking. And he stopped at the 46. So, 4 quarters wasn't enough for these two teams, and we head to overtime.
Oakland has won the toss and choose to receive. Good luck, men.
Baker will be kicking off.
Number 31 and number 42.
He gets the kick away. He'll be returning this one.
Face mask on the defense. Number 57. The penalty is declined.
So we have 1st and 10 here. Four-man front this time. He's looking to pass. Looking for a receiver. Number 8 lets it fly. Porter was the intended receiver. The quarterback was feeling the pressure on that play.
He had to get rid of the ball in a hurry.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Drops back. Surveying the field. Rolling right. Number 8 sends the pass away. He couldn't control it. Williams drops it.
For some players, they say the worst place to hit him is right in the hand. Looks like this may be one of those guys.
So they dug themselves into a hole here, a long 3rd down situation. Ball on their own 26. He's going to throw. Number 8 can't escape and is brought down.
Number 26. Loss of 7 yards on the play.
Make it happen, D. Make it happen.
Set.
Single.
Quick drop. Throws it. Garner was the intended target on that pass attempt. And they come up short.
When the offense moves down toward the goal line, it gives the defense a chance to tighten up and play tighter coverage.
Number 6 in to attempt the field goal.
Penalty marker down on the field.
Encroachment. Defense.
Romanowski jumped early.
Yeah, he jumped early and touched an offensive player, and that forces the officials to blow the whistle.
Set.
And it's up. Penalty marker down on the field. That ball hit the upright and didn't make it through.
Offside. Defense. Set.
The kick is up. No good. It hit the crossbar. So we have 1st and 10 here.
Set.
Looking to pass. Passes it out to the left. And they're able to connect on that one. Number 8 is almost unstoppable out there. He now has over 300 yards passing. So they're almost within their kicker's range. Ball on the 43-yard line.
Set.
They'll go with a pass. Throws over to his right. Hits his man with the pass. Plummer stopped him for his 3rd tackle so far. Picked up 9 on the play. About a yard to go. Number 8 under center. Looking downfield. Throws it. Gets his hand on it. He did a nice job knocking that ball down.
Yep, nothing fancy there. Don't even give the receiver a chance. Just knock it down.
About a yard to go.
Set.
Looking downfield. Throws it. And they're able to connect on that one. Garner makes a great reception on a pass that was way over his head.
You can go to this guy anytime, even if it's not a perfect throw. He has the uncanny ability to always come up with a catch.
Melissa, what have you heard on the sidelines about that injury?
I was able to talk to the team doctor, Al, and he indicated that it's a minor injury. They expect that he'll take a series or two off, then return to the field.
Melissa, thanks for the update. Sounds like he'll be back very soon. He swatted that pass down.
I'm not surprised. That was a tough pass.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 26-yard line. Only one man back. He's going to throw. Number 8 throws. And it's caught. And he's brought down at the 19. Pickup of about 7.
San Francisco takes a timeout. They have no timeouts remaining.
It's 3rd down with 3 to go. Dropping back with the throw. He hits his receiver. Janikowski leads the field goal team into the game for the attempt. And it's on its way. A nice kick, and it's good. That'll wrap this one up, and the final score is Oakland 17, San Francisco 14. This concludes another EA Sports presentation. For John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying so long.